Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to introduce plantain balls, sweet banana balls. Plantain balls can make a perfect appetizer or a snack. These are super easy to make and perfect for tea time. These bite-sized balls are deep fried to golden perfection. These are the ingredients we need for this sweet plantain balls. Heat a frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then you can add the chopped bananas. Here I am using 2 ripe bananas, and you can add them and you can roast it until it becomes soft. Once it's soft, you can smash the banana with the back of the spoon. Now you can add half cup of grated coconut. You can add more. I guess I added a little bit more than half cup. The more you add, it will taste more better. Add quarter cup of brown sugar. You can actually adjust the sweetness according to the ripeness of the banana. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts and mix it well. Then add 3/4 cup of wheat flour and mix it well. You can roast it for a few minutes until everything comes together, and make sure to add a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. You can mix until a soft dough appears, and then you can turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. Once it's cool enough to handle, you can make small balls. Here I'm using 1 egg for dipping, and if you want you can always skip this process, but I like to use the egg for dipping. And I'm using half cup of breadcrumbs. First dip the balls in the egg and then roll it in the breadcrumbs, and then you can deep fry. Heat oil in a kadai, and once it's hot, you can place the balls one by one and deep fry until light golden brown appears. Make sure to turn the sides and cook properly, and the flame should be on medium heat, otherwise it will the outside portion will cook very fast and inside won't be properly cooked. And once it's done, you can remove and place in a paper towel. Soft and crunchy plantain balls are ready to eat. You can serve it along with a cup of hot tea. Hope you like this video. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.